Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Plumina Morin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Bitcoin to buy Harmony One on Binance. If today is your first time of visiting my channel or watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any vital information on crypto investing. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into Binance. Binance is one of the largest crypto exchanges worldwide with over 700 coins. And if you don't have a Binance account, again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I also going to leave a link up here. I did a tutorial on how to open a Binance account. Okay, so next you're going to go on the wallet, click on fiat and spot, that is deposit and withdraw. Deposit Bitcoin. I'm gonna select the Binance Smart Chain because it's usually cheaper. I copy this, I go into my NDAX wallet. So next I'm gonna log into my NDAX account. Now if you are in Canada, NDAX ranks as one of the top crypto exchanges in Canada. If you would like to open an account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I also did a video on how to create an index account, how to fund your account. I'm going to leave a link to the video up here. So I'm going to log into my index account now. So once you're logged into Index, this is how your dashboard is going to look on your desktop, okay, on your laptop. So next, I'm going to show you how to transfer BTC, that's Bitcoin, to Binance. I'm going to show you how to use BTC to buy Harmony. I'm going to click on withdraw. I want to withdraw BTC. I say send. So now I'm just sending the Bitcoin in my wallet. We have this amount of Bitcoin. We're going to send it via the Binance Smart Chain. Select this. I'm going to copy paste the address, the Bitcoin address that I got. So I want to send the maximum, confirm. I'm going to say send BTC. Again, I'm going to say proceed. I'm going to enter the authentication code. And now it's telling me to check my email to confirm the withdrawals. And I'm just going to confirm it. I just received an email. It says confirm your withdrawal. And I'm going to confirm. Withdrawal confirm success. So next, you're going to go on the wallet. Click on fiat and spot. That is deposit and withdraw. So I just received the notification that deposited this amount of Bitcoin. So next I'm going to show you how you can use Bitcoin to buy Harmony One. I'm going to go on the markets. Again, I'm going to go on the spot. I'm going to search here ONE. I'm going to click on BTC, meaning that I want to use BTC to buy Harmony One. Okay, so I click on trade. Again, I want to use all the BTC coin that I have. I'm going to draw this up to this like this. And I'm just going to say I want to buy right now. That's market price. I just want to buy right now. And I just click buy. So again, I'm using Bitcoin to buy Harmony One. Okay, so click on buy. And you see it's been fulfilled. So again, I go back to my wallet. Click on fiat and spot. And you can see that the quantity of Harmony One has already increased. We've come to the end of today's class. In our next class, I'm going to show you how to transfer Harmony One from Binance to your Ledger Nano S. As I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. So if you found any value whatsoever in today's class, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and until then, I'm Blumino Morin, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.